Okay, guys, I'm out here at another bridge. This time I'm at the Edmonton's Highlevel Bridge. Now, this one's quite old and it's rusty, and we'll let you have a look
Take
at it
off.
here. I put a fresh battery in, and we're gonna take off and see what happens.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Okay, so we'll gimbal up a little bit and kind of give you an overview. This thing is quite tall, and you can see spans quite a ways all the way over to downtown. And if we turn back the other way, you'll see where I am on the south side here. So it actually goes quite a ways that way till it gets across the gap. So I think what we're gonna do is we will fly up. It's quite windy here, so I may get a wind warning right away, but we're going to go up and see what happens. I see the drones fighting quite a bit, so we'll try this. Just going up, straight up. We're at 51 feet. And as you can see, we're not anywhere near level with the bridge, so we're going up a bunch more. And there we're at 85 feet. I'm going to turn and look at the bridge as we're going up here. And that's 85 feet, so... Okay, and that puts us even with the bridge deck, and that's 100 feet up. We can see the people walking and stuff. And still no wind warning, so I'm going to venture to go up a little bit more. We can look at the tracks on top of this bridge. And then maybe we can see the other bridge that's behind it. There. Kind of gives you an idea what she looks like. And we'll pan it to the north. There we go. And that's quite a long beauty. And you can see she goes into the river valley there. And then just to put it into perspective, the Walterdale Bridge. Oh, this thing doesn't want to go around as well. Whoop. Is just over there, so we'll keep panning. That's looking east, southeast, and now we're looking back south, and then we'll swing it back around there. Yeah, that's kind of southwestish, and you can see the bridge a little bit better. And if we look straight down, you can see me down there, kind of in the shade, beside my van. Okay. So anyway, that's what she looks like. I want to see if I can actually get up a little bit higher. Actually, yeah, we'll go up and see. We'll take it up to 200 feet. There we go. We're at 204. And I'm going to turn it that way. Gimbal down a bit so we can see the other bridge. That's the LRT bridge on the other side. The top of this one, they barely use it for anything anymore. They have a guest cable car kind of train that goes across it once in a while. Anyway, that's what she'd be looking like. That gives you a better shot of downtown Edmonton there. And you can see the tallest building is 66 floors. So it's fair size. Anyway, we'll see if we can... I'm a little bit leery on flying across to the other side, but we're gonna try it. I mean, the worst that could happen is I'll crash. So, positive attitude. Now I got to be cognizant of the trees over there that I don't go crashing into them. So we'll fly across the bridge and get myself over there. And we should just about be right over it. Yeah. See if we look. And raise that gimbal up. You can see the bridges. And then of course if we turn it around, like I say, the Walterdale Bridge in the background there. And then we're looking down the tracks on the other side. And there's an LRT right there going across on its bridge. So we're going to gimbal down a little bit more. And we're going to turn it back. Oh, yeah, that way a bit. We're going to fly forward a bunch more. Okay, now the problem is I do not see the bird. And okay, if I gimbal down, where am I in relation to the bridge? Okay, problem, I don't see the bird. Okay, lost signals, and this could be a crash if I don't do this real quick here. Set this puppy up and turn this thing, strong wind warning, around, gimbal up, and forward. Fly forward, you bugger. Oh yeah, okay, she's coming back now. Okay. So she's up a little too high, but I'm going to hit the home button.
Go home.
Oh well, I guess flying it across over the other side of the bridge wasn't that great of an idea.
Landing.
Okay. I see her way up there. She's coming down. Alright. 140 feet. So yeah, we were up at, I flew it back up to about 250 feet because I didn't want it to hit anything. So anyway, she's coming down. And we're doing good. Okay, wind is really picked up. All right, she's coming down, in for a landing. Back in one piece. Happy, happy. Okay. Tells me the temperature is 44.5 Celsius of the bird. Which is, I don't know if that's got a little bit too high. Anyway, it's showing me that it's up there. Okay, I'm gonna shut this thing off, guys. Gonna turn off the recording, and that'll be good for now. Take care, and we'll see you all on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.